Yellow. There's a saying that goes, it's not the hardest punch that switches someone off, it's the one they don't see coming. Absolutely, as they aren't properly braced for the blow. But there's also another truth contributing to that philosophy. When the body mechanics are fluid from the ground up, even a tight range of motion commands respect. Sometimes a punch may not look like the hardest, but the body mechanics were so efficient that, like a well-greased wheel, it delivered with ease. Thus, watch here how with a simple technique, Brian Kelleher demonstrated just that. Even he was surprised as to how effective it was. Let's actually take a closer glance at just this. Eating the inside low kick, watch as Brian Kelleher puts his weight on his lead leg by slipping outside. Note also how Brian Kelleher is slipping from his hips. This is him subtly loading potential energy. He's getting ready to explode off the weight he just put on his lead leg. His opponent does not know what to make of the slip. Watch his reaction. He's not really reacting to it, thinking nothing of it. He has no idea Brian Kelleher has just loaded devastation. Typically, a cross loads more power into a lead hook by turning weight onto the lead leg, and a lead hook by itself will not deal nearly as much damage nor cover as much distance without a slip or cross to load that weight. In that moment, Brian launched himself off that slip. The back leg trailed in with the momentum of the lead hook. With such a tight range of motion, his opponent never even saw it coming until it was too late. From there, boom. This is an understanding we've seen quite frequently from Iron Mike Tyson. Slipping inside the jab, Mike loads potential energy into his lead. From there, he has now the option of exploding off that weight into a lead hook. Again, slipping inside, look at all that weight he's loaded into his left hip. Note how there isn't much change in the posture of his spine.
Spinal.
More so, he's loading weight into his hips with his ducks and his slips, all in prep to explode. This time, Mike weaves weight onto the lead leg. Taking an angle towards the inside, Mike again loads weight into his lead leg, exploding into his reach with a left hook. You don't need a big range of motion. This technique does not need to be a haymaker to generate power. More so, it's the momentum it generates explosively covering distance. The distance it covers is what gives it such respectable force. Mike Tyson may have been known for his power, but definitely there was a method to all the madness. A closer glance absolutely reveals technical finesse. If you'd like more from me, please subscribe and hit the notifications. Thank you if you did. It truly does mean a lot to me. Thank you. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma, and until next time, peace.